Hello everyone, I'm back again and I'm coming here for continuing the video for the layout preparation, and today I'm going to talk about one another important details that we normally do when preparing the layout. So today I'm talking about the grid lines, and the grid lines that is added just outside the boundary of your frame. So for example, this is somewhere, right, somewhere in the world, but if you want to understand where it is exactly, then it is quite easy for you to understand if you have the coordinate information on showing on the boundary of your framework, right? So for that, what you are going to do is you are going to add this you are going to add grid lines. So how do we do that? So you just have to go to the insert. So first of all, it is a continuous video, so I'm not adding all the details from beginning. So for now I'm just continuing from what I'm talking today. So once you go there, and you will have options over here in the inside the insert, you can find grid over here, right? So there are lots of ways on how you want to add the grid. You have to be careful like which processing system you are working with. If you are working with geographic coordinate system, then you can easily use graticle in your map. That will be more suitable to show in the grid. Or if you have the specific local coordinate, then you can always select the measure grid, so that it will be easy for you to show that value. There are like reference grid which will show in the bounded box like structure. It is not normally used in the map, but sometimes you will see somewhere. I want to use this mjrs grid. This is new feature in ArcGIS Pro. But if it is suitable somewhere, then you can always explore like how you can do it. So yeah, there are lots of ways you can add. So for now I will just simply use this second way of adding, that is like discriminate and discriminate. That is how I want to show discriminate second. Okay, that is how I want to show in my map. So in that case, if you are not showing the north or way east west direction, then there will be like positive and negative values. And there is other way, like if you just want to stick with the positive values, then this will show you like north and west or something like that. So whatever you want to do, you choose your own. For now let's just try with this one. So I'm not okay, let's try with this one. There is like something that you can explore more on this one. Okay, once you do that, okay, now I have this grid, and you might be surprised like why this grid is like not in vertical direction and it is in different direction. So the reason is like my background projection system is different, and I'm using the graticle which will use WGS coordinate system, right? That's why it's different. So for now, what I will do is I will just try to explore some of the details that I can work with grid. So for now, if you see, the labeling is like in one side, like vertical direction, everything is there, and it is too congested to see all the information, and even the grid line is there, so it doesn't feel good in the map, right? So what you can do is you can always change these properties once you go to the grid properties. So for that, what I will do it, I will just double click on my frame here. Okay, so once you are here, you will have to look into like what information is there. Okay, so sorry, so let's see. We are talking about a map tree. Okay, so we have selected map tree. Go to next page. There are like, okay, everything is good, background is okay, and everything is okay. So yeah, so I have to go to grid properties. Did I miss something or what? This is element and border shadow. Okay, so once you are there, now you have to select the grid. You can see on your layout table on the left side, you can find your grid over here. So once you are there, then you can find a lot of details that you can make changes. Okay, so for now, let's have a look what we can change. If you just select automatically adjust for the interval, then it will just automatically adjust everything. So depending on how you want to work, you have to be careful on every details before you start clicking randomly. So there are lots of things that you can change. First of all, I want to go here. So there are like lots of options. So first thing, I want to remove some of the things. This is like grid lines, so this middle lines are the grid lines. So if I just cross this one, then it will just remove. Okay, that's all. You just have to do, that's all. So if you want to add that grid line, then you can just go here and add grid line. It will come again, and you can adjust with all those things. Okay, for now I just don't want it, so I'm just removing this one. And I'm getting not comfortable with the, I mean, the middle ticks over here, so I will just remove this one as well. So now it's gone. Great. So I will remain with label, that is the labeling of the text, and with the ticks is like this one over here, if you can see. Okay, yeah. So now the labeling for the grid is done with the differences of 10 degree only, and in this side also 10 degree only, so it seems quite congested, right? So how do I do that? So I just want to change these values. Okay, so for that, first thing you will have to go here and just automatically adjust. You have to make this off. Okay, first you have to make this off, then go to here again, and now see, it is editable. So if I just simply do it for 20, it will automatically sync the value because I have turned this on, right? So once I do that 20, then okay, let me just zoom in. Why it is not refreshed? Sorry, let me go to there. Is there anything that I missed? Should I need to, oh, what happened? Did I just add more values over here? Seems like so. Let me just have a look. Oh, it's not working. What happened? Oh, sorry. I did mistake here. I was just selecting the text. That's why it was not working for me. So I just want to turn this on off again. I added the text, so I just have to select more values over here. Okay, so for now it is like 5 degrees changes, right? So I just want to change this to 20. Now see, this is working. And also for the text, I want to do this for 20 as well. Okay, let me just wait for it. I don't know why it was supposed to change. Anyway, now let's go automatically adjust. Oh, I have to turn this off. What, man? Anyway, so this is how you can. Okay, it's not working again. What is going on? Oh, I clicked that one. Oh man, did I just on this, make this on again? Yeah, I just simply have to go there, then I will add 20. Now it is okay. Yeah, now it is 20. Great. So also for the orientation of this one, so you have to, I mean, how you want to show this, right? So it will be vertical north one. So I'll just click here, just wait for a while. Okay, sorry, I choose the north one. That's not what I want to do. So okay, sorry, this is west, man. What am I telling to myself? So this is west and this is east, so we want to make the alignment vertical of the label. So I just want to go and select this again. Man, what am I doing? So okay, let's just wait for a while because it is loading. Okay, I'll just turn this on if it is working now. See, I chose the wrong one. Let me just wait for a while so that the map is loading properly. Okay, now it is loaded, I guess. So I will just, oh man, what is going on? I'm just turning this off. Oh, what the hell? Oh, sorry. The simple thing is like you just have to select this one. I don't like what's wrong with this. It is just loading and loading, so I'm just pausing the video for a while. Yeah, I got so much problem. Okay, anyway, so now it is working. So you can see here, like it is oriented to the towards the north, right? So this is how you can change like the orientation of whatever, like the text of the grid. So if you want to change the symbol like text over here, then you can just select like which text, which font, or maybe bold or anything that you want to apply in there. So you can change over here like maybe different text or size or bold or regular or color, however you want to put it. So normally black color is used in most of the cases, right? So yeah, I think that's all for today. So this is how you can make changes in the, I mean, in the grid. If you have to add another grid over here, you can just have to select over here and go to grid. You can choose whatever format you want to add and edit the grid network, sorry, grid. Then somehow you will get what you are looking for. So thank you so much for watching till now, and I will be coming up with another video. Please subscribe to my channel and help me grow and give me motivation for making other videos. And thank you so much for the patience.